Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how to code in Roblox Studio for beginners. In this tutorial we are going to be going over the basics of Roblox Studio. We're not going to go all the way in detail how to code. In this video we're just going to show you how to use it, because this might look kind of intimidating if it's your first time ever in Roblox Studio. So let's get into it. Alright guys, once you get into Roblox Studio, you will see, hopefully, Explore, Properties, Output, and Toolbox. Now if you guys don't see these, all you gotta do to equip them, for Toolbox, go to Home, and tap Toolbox. For Output, go to View, Output. For Explore and Properties, go to View, Explore, then Properties. Once you have all these equipped, now you will have the basics for designing and building structures. So Workspace is where the blocks and materials and things like that are stored if you want the player to see them. So as you can see, the spawn is Workspace, and this base plate is as well. So if I delete the base plate, now we no longer have it. But if I took the base plate and put it inside of server script storage, it still disappears because that's for storing scripts, not parts. So now I'm going to show you how to insert a part. Go to Workspace, right click, tap Insert Object, and you can search up part. Once you have it inserted, you will see in Explorer, you will see that it has appeared inside of Workspace. Now you can go down to Properties. Once you have part selected, go down to Properties, and you can change the color. You can also change the texture, which is called Material. I'll change it to concrete. And then up here, under Home, you'll see you have a few selection tools. I'm going to go Scale, which give me some options on scaling my part. Once I have it scaled to my liking, I now have a few more options. Move. With this, I can move the tool anywhere across the map on the X, Y, Z axis. I can also rotate it. To adjust how much it rotates, you can go up to Model, go to Rotate, and change the amount. So right now it's at 45. I'll change it to 0, and that'll allow me to move it as smoothly and anywhere on the map I want. Now, if I make a mistake in my game, and let's say I delete something, I could just hit Control-Z and bring it back. Now for designing, like in games, they have amazing designs. What you need to do is, for creating nice lines around the wall or at the bottom, all you need to do is hit Control-D with your part, then rescale it down. I'll change the color. Let's see how that looks. Thinking maybe a nicer color. Something like that. Then once you get your wall scaled nicely, to save lag, you can head up to Model, and under Solid Modeling, you can tap the two parts you want. To select two parts at a time, select one part, hold down Control, and then tap the other part. Then go up to Solid Modeling, then tap this. And as you can see in Explorer, it went from 2 parts to 1 part. So now, if I unselect it and select it, it is 1 part. This can save a lot of parts and resources. The only downside to this is now when I scale it, it won't just scale on one axis. Now, every axis will grow. It won't just change in length, it'll also change in height. So, that's, and width. That's a bummer. So now going back, let's move on to players. Players is just a tool where you are able to, where when a player joins, it'll insert a little, let's call it a folder that stores all the information for that player, what game passes they own, all the player's data. And the game is constantly reaching to figure out the players allowed in this area or any other type of script you have. Now in lighting, you can change a lot. You can change the brightness. You can change the time of day. But a cool feature is you're able to change the sky by hitting over to Toolbox, typing in sky, viewing all these skies, and finding one that you like. That one looks pretty nice, but I'm going to get rid of it. This is the Roblox default sky. They got some weird skies. Okay. So now in this map, and if you don't have, let's say, teams here, you can head up to Model, Service, tap on that, and it will be here. You can tap on it and tap Insert, and then it will be inserted. So that was the absolute basics of Roblox Studio. Make sure to like and subscribe for a part 2. Thanks for watching.